Peace to everybody out there today. So I wanted to talk about the importance of order in your spell and ritual work. And when I say order, I do mean the sequence in which you do things in. So I've been practicing magic and learning the spiritual arts for about 24 to 25 years. And over this time, I've learned a lot of lessons. And as someone who does work for people professionally, I can tell you that the order in which you do your spell work and your ritual work will directly impact the level of success and the results that you get from said work. Let me give you an example. So for those of you who were in grade school and you learned that acronym, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, when you're doing your math problems, right? We understand that when we're presented with an equation and we need to solve it, we have to follow the proper order of, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, do what's in the parentheses first, which is the please. Multiply, which is what the M stands for. My Aunt A is addition, right? So if you don't follow the right sequence and you don't solve the problem in the right order, your answer is not going to be right. Well, the same thing with your spiritual work and your spell work. If you don't do the workings that need to be done in the right chronological order, then it can affect how effective the work that you do is. I'm going to give you an example of type of working that I see a lot of people make mistakes with in the order that they do the work. So let's just say you're under some kind of a spiritual attack, okay? And the first instinct most people have is, oh my God, I got to do a reversal. I got to send it back, or I got to do it uncrossing. And what will happen is, if you do that and you don't take the proper steps of first protecting yourself, let's just say you start uncrossing. Well, whatever negative spiritual energy, entity, or spirit that's been sent to you, when you try to send that energy back, guess what? That energy is going to fight you. It's not like you do the ritual and then the energy or the entity says, oh, gotta go, Mako. No. The energy fights you. This is why it's important to protect yourself first, because it will mitigate the negative impact that you will feel from this energy or entity resisting being removed or being sent back, right? Because anytime you're dealing with dark